टनाटन वाला खाना है। और टनाटन एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ है कि जिससे अंदाज़ा आ जाता है कि खाना कैसा कमाल का होगा। कि आई एम श्योर कि शायद इसकी एक कमी थी मुंबई शहर में जो दादर में पूरी हुई है। एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी जॉइनिंग देम। एंड इसका स्वाद लेने के लिए सबको आना चाहिए। मैं इसीलिए आया हूँ कि बहुत कमाल होगा। एंड आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट। यूँ ही टनाटन करते रहिए।
टनाटन देखने की बड़ी इच्छा थी। जू में जब भी जाते थे वहाँ बहुत हम माहौल देख के खुशी होती थी। तो अभी ये दादर में ओपन हुआ है। पहले तो मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा। और कोइंसिडेंस है कि ये आज ओपन हो रहा है और हमारी फ़िल्म परसों रिलीज़ हो रही है। जबरिया जोड़ी तो खड़के गलासी गाने को खूब प्यार मिल रहा है। 12 साल पहले हमने इस गाने को बनाया था, कंपोज़ किया था मैंने, गाया था और अब दोबारा से मैंने गाया है। और इस गाने को तनिष्क बागची ने बहुत अच्छा म्यूज़िक दे के इस गाने को 4 चांद लगा दिए हैं। आज पूरे हिंदुस्तान में हर चार्ट में ये गाना बज रहा है। बहुत अच्छे मिलियंस मिल रहे हैं आप सबकी दुआओं से। थैंक यू सो मच। और टनाटन को मैं मुबारकबाद दे ही चुका हूँ और कहेंगे तो गा के दे दूँगा।
आपको समझ पड़ेगा जो जू वाला टनाटन है वो इतना फुल चलता है कि ट्रैफिक जैम हो जाते हैं और हम लोग को रोड क्रॉस करना बहुत हार्ड पड़ता है कई बार। तो बहुत खुशी है कि यहाँ भी आ गया दादर में। क्या पता जू का रश भी थोड़ा दादर में आएगा तो हम लोग की ट्रैफिक चलने लगेगी। लेकिन वंडरफुल प्लेस। एंड जब आपको पता है बहुत टेस्टी खाना खाना है और एक ऐसी जगह जाना है जब कोई टेंशन नहीं आए, तो रामी वॉज द प्लेस फॉर अस एंड वी लव इट। एंड टनाटन जिस तरीके से उसकी एम्बियंस है बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है। बाहर खड़े हैं लेकिन पसीने का कोई चांस नहीं है, तो अंदर क्या हाल होगा पता नहीं। वेल डन अमित,
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू,
हाँ
thank you for coming, Mr. Vindu Daras.
नहीं नहीं, तो हमें बता अब और कितने खोलने वाला है
We are coming up like right now it's like my 5th outlet what I have opened, in Mumbai, and we are coming entire the globe. We already have one in Dubai and Bahrain. This year we are planning one for London also. So for the best.
Plan one for Delhi also.
Sure.
ठीक है चलो love you let's enjoy आजा आओ भाई
आप बोल रहे हैं सर
सर टुडे यू हैड द लॉन्च ऑफ टनाटन सर यहाँ आए क्या विशेष देना चाहेंगे आज?
Are Amit and me go a long way back. I've known Amit for a long time, and my best wishes with Amit. And he's one person who believes in class and quality. So I think that's a great combination. I can't wait to dig into the menu and all the stuff that's at offer here. So great going, bro.
Thank you very much,
And
Amish.
best wishes
Thank
always
you.
with you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
अरे
सर लेफ्ट साइड है आप लुक सेंटर सर आए यार ओके सर थैंक यू लेफ्ट साइड लुक सेंटर लुक सेंटर लेफ्ट साइड लेफ्ट और सेंटर सेंटर अभी यहाँ पे खड़ा करना है यहाँ पे खड़ा करो ओके
मैम यहाँ पे Yes. Yeah, visuals.
Yeah, one second. Where's Nihit?
He's on the phone. He's on the phone.
Huh?
Ready, rolling?
Yeah, rolling.
Congratulations, I must say the Tanadan team successful run where at Shivaji Park Dadar. Amit, starting with you, please tell us the whole concept and I'll come back for food and configuration to Shweta Julaya.
Tanatan, when I opened my first outlet, it was like, we were like little nervous. It's the first outlet in India, in Mumbai, like, how it's going to do and all that. But it's given a great platform. So we introduced our place to globe. Like we are having one restaurant in Dubai, one in Bahrain, one in Kolhapur, and this is the 5th outlet of ours. I would like to introduce both these girls. Like, they are the girls like who are behind with this entire food menu. Please give the brief.
Shweta, I mean, of course, food is to die for, and Tanatan is known for its mouth-watering kebabs to special dishes. So tell us what's been in putting up this whole menu. How did you curate it? What went into making it?
So basically, Tanatan means must, and nothing can be more must than Indian food. Seriously. So that was the idea behind this. We wanted to bring in authentic Indian food, present it in a nice style, but keep the flavors as authentic as possible.
Shai, yes, knowing from you when you hail from Lucknow, so kebabs have to be right here when it comes to trying out something different. So please tell us your concept, your ideation when you were planning the.
So when Tanatan came to us, it was when Tanatan came to us, it was like, okay, we have to do North Indian and authentic North Indian, but we have to serve it in a way that Bombay people find it fun as well.
And South Indian.
And South Indian, but
She's from the north, I'm from the
the
south.
kebabs I'm talking about at the moment. So getting the Galavats right and getting the Sikhs right was really important for us. And yeah, coming from Lucknow, I think that was like one of the most difficult but fun things to do here in Bombay, because the mutton flavor, the water, everything changes, right? But I think we've got it spot on, and between the North Indian and the South Indian, we've covered whole of India.
We have made
and
Amit a very happy person.
and we are traveling the world with Tanatan.
Yes, we are going global, I believe.
Yes.
So is it the same cuisine all over?
Everywhere is the same cuisine.
It's
like.
the same
But
cuisine.
for Shivaji Park, we did it like a little extra because that is going to be a new cut of the menu,
So
which
where-
has been going to be launched in Juhu soon.
So what do we have special here, which is not there in Jew, which people could try out?
So we've given more. So wherever we open, we try to imbibe that essence. Like in Kolhapur, we've added a bit of Kolhapuri. So when we came here, we realized that people love their meat. So we've added more of meat dishes. We've gone into depth of flavor, got more Indianized, gone into the curries really, and we've done our research more. So I hope you all enjoy the new dishes. We've added a lot of new dishes, and God willing, all these dishes will be added in Juhu and in our other outlets. And he is a taskmaster, Amit. He's very particular.
We
So-
went through some 250 trials.
Yes,
It
literally.
was literally like that.
And I hope you all enjoy what
Yes.
we bring to you.
So which is your recommendation to people out there, foodies who must come and try? What would you?
I would say have the Ran biryani.
It's called the Shehanshahi Rane Khas.
And that is a must. Pre-order it. आराम से बैठो, खाओ पियो और मजा लो.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
One picture together. Hey, congratulations, Rami is going totally all over the globe. I believe you've just opened today at Dadar Shivaji Park, which is the essence heart of Mumbai. What do you have to say? What went behind in choosing a location firstly, and of course Tanatan's food is what's his food?
Well, there was always a demand wherein we've been listening, people coming from town to our suburbs, wherein Tanatan was serving them those kind of delicious food with that concept. So there was always a need and demand to which we've been thinking over and over again. Yes, this place was there with us for quite some long when we owned this place, and we thought of bringing in a new concept. It used to be China Bistro earlier. So we thought, why not? Why not to bring in that culture what we started in Juhu? So this is how we started, and the end result is there in front of you.
So it's the same concept and when you've got
Yes.
global,
In fact, Tanatan, with all the brand SOPs, like what we have launched in Juhu, what we have launched in Bahrain, Dubai, Kolhapur, it's all the same. And this one is almost the same.
So which is your favorite dish when it comes to food? Because Tanatan and food is just
My food is same all over my 5 places.
So favorite dish of yours, Ani, that you enjoy watching?
Yeah, mine is that dal khichdi,
Lamb chop also.
lamb chop. That's one dish which I can, eat anytime.
And now will be a Rani Haq, what we are doing, it's going to be a massive hit, this kind of a biryani nobody is doing in this
Ran biryani.
Ran biryani.
We've seen the pictures circulating.
Yes.
How's the response been so far?
We haven't started yet, but still we started getting a lot of calls because I think we are doing very good on our social media. So we are getting a lot of calls, inquiries when it's starting. I think everybody is eagerly waiting for us to open the gate. So finally we are opening the gate tomorrow on 8th of August.
We what plans next Tanatan?
Yes, Tanatan, like you said, is going viral. My next destinations are Indore, Udaipur, and Lucknow. Very soon.
So these are all cities where they really, when you say they respect food, when they
Yes,
try out.
that is one. And second, because we are expanding in terms of hotels, Rami Group is expanding. So I've signed all these hotels, Lucknow, yes, Udaipur, yes, Indore, yes. And all these hotels where we are signing. So we are bringing our branded specialty outlets as well, along with the resto bars and this food thing.
So we have live music here. So in terms of choosing music, are we going different? Are we going?
See, concept remains the same, wherein we've been promoting the talents, like what I said a couple of years back when it was Juhu's opening. Yes, we are again pushing up talents. You'll see a lot many talents coming up on the platform and singing for you all, entertaining you all, along with the food. Yes, that's SOP.
another location so soon and been successfully. So that is something remarkable. It just happened and we are already at Dadar now. So that's quite a and a very
See,
short
that's
time.
what me and my team are very, they're working on very hard on it. The SOP of maintaining the delicacies, the food taste, the portions, and the very ambience and look and feel. Yes, we've been maintaining it. We're working very hard on it. My team, along with Amit, is working very hard on this concept, and we are living up to it. So that we are not leaving any stone unturned, and we're not letting So all the negative comments what we get on the food, instantly we react and we do the things right. And so that is maintained what we'll see out here also in this outlet.
So what is the message that you would like to give on from both of you? They need from you that for food lovers, what are we offering special at Tanatan?
So it's all Tanatan. Let me compile in one word. It's all Tanatan. You have to see to believe it.
It's what Sir said, it's absolutely right. It's all Tanatan like. But we have a lot of new items to try.
While I'll
especially
give you
for-
a recipe for the dish, that'll be too long and lengthy. So for believing it, you have to come and see and feel it.
And
So
when
we
it
are
comes to expansion, big support. Never say no for it, really. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. This is very much giving
I'm honestly speaking, I'm so happy that Tanatan is now also at Dadar Shivaji Park, especially because I have a couple of friends over here, and when I come here every Tuesday to Siddhi Vinayak, and I spend time with my friends. So I think this is going to be a really nice place for us to chill out, especially because of the live music that they have. I wish them all the best, and I'm genuinely happy. All the best, all the best.
Tanatan's launch here today.
Tanatan launch, this is all about good food, live music, Tanatan life, and जुहू में तो है ही, यहाँ पे टाउन में भी आ गया है, so we'll get another chance to come to town to have good food, good music and good life. Congratulations and all the best to Tanatan. Yeah.
So sir, today Tanatan का launch नया branch शिवाजी पार्क में क्या wishes देना चाहिए
Yes,
आपकी
a very hearted congratulations to my brother Amit. He's been superb. He's worked really hard behind Tanatan, Juhu, Kolhapur, Dubai, and now yes, another one in Shivaji Park. So I'm sure he's gonna be rocking. It's gonna be a superb hit, amazing venue, nice decor, lovely food, delicious cocktails, and yeah, rest Amit will do the best.
Thank you very much, Akib. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, we do the guides. Just 5 minutes. Ready? Ready?
I'll go there.
Hey, hi. How are you?
Yeah, I wanted you to meet.
please.
रेडी
Sir?
टनाटन का लॉन्च है नया ब्रांच है शिवाजी पार्क में राइट इन द सेंटर ऑफ द टाउन क्या विशेष देना
सो बेसिकली मैं अमित को बहुत पहले से जानता हूँ, बहुत पहले मतलब बहुत पहले, उतना ज़्यादा नहीं बोल सकते ना, तो हमारी एज पता चल जाएगी। बहुत पहले से
12 years.
हाँ, सो फ्रॉम द टाइम दैट ही स्टार्टेड टिल नाउ he's reached a different level altogether. I'm really happy for him from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you, bro. Thanks.
Mashallah, he's done really well for himself.
You're always a well wisher for me all the
जहाँ
time.
भी अमित जाता है वहाँ पे जो मेन चीज़ होती है, जो खाने में जो बढ़िया चीज़ होती है ना, वो ही आगे बढ़ पाता है। और इस इंसान ने उस चीज़ का हमेशा से खास ख्याल रखा है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही इज ऑलवेज अ विनर।
Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you.
ऑल द बेस्ट।
I'm just coming.
रेडी सो सबा मैम टुडे टनाटन का लॉन्च है नया ब्रांच है राइट इन योर होम प्लेस
Yes.
कैसा क्या विशेष देना चाहेंगे
I'm so excited that I live in Mahim and we have like very limited options here. So I'm really excited and glad that Tanatan has come up with their branch at Shivaji Park, and I wish them all the very best, and I'm sure they'll rock.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
मैम टुडे टनाटन नया ब्रांच नई जगह क्या विशेष देना चाहेंगे
So all my best wishes and a big congratulations to Tanatan, one of my most favorite restaurants, which has the most amazing food with music. And I've been to Tanatan in Dubai. I've had the pleasure of actually listening to some amazing music there and having such scrumptious Indian cuisine there, and of course the Tanatan in Juhu, and now in Shivaji Park. I think this is fabulous and the location is superb. So I wish the entire team of Tanatan all the very best.
Thank you, Shivani.
Thank you, most welcome. Hi Amit.
How are you?
So good to see you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Rajiv is also there.
Hi.
Rajiv. Amit.
How are you?
सर प्लीज जॉइन
Yeah, please.
मैम 2 lines on the occasion of टनाटन
Okay, so 2 lines, okay? Which one? Your request.
You tell me about the food, your experience. You travel even Dubai Tanatan also.
I've
So
been to
tell
all the
something about.
Tanatans in the world now. No, it's the #1 restaurant according to me because it has a lovely combination of music with amazing food. And one line of my song "Ho Gayi Hai Mohabbat" for Tanatan. हो गई है मोहब्बत टनाटन से.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks. Oh, hi.
रेडी
Ready.
सो सर टुडे टनाटन का लॉन्च है नया ब्रांच नई जगह क्या विशेष देना चाहेंगे
Tanatan is a very happening place. I just tried यहाँ का chicken tikka mutton. The taste is very different. इनकी जो lighting बहुत अच्छी है, मतलब it is something new thing that is coming in town. So I shall definitely recommend कि यहाँ पे आओ, धूम मचाओ. And the food is actually very good. It's very yummalicious, very tasty. You should come here for the food, for the ambience, for the music, and especially for the food. Food is actually very good. Welcome.
जाने कहाँ दोगे?
रेडी होली इसके बारे में हमारे से शेष
Sorry.
I said the same thing as I was talking about.
About
Tanatan.
Tanatan, absolutely. I think we've seen Tanatan Juhu, which is absolutely Tanatan. So that Tanatan legacy comes forward with this Tanatan Dadar. Let's see how Tanatan is this. Is this more Tanatan than Tanatan Juhu, or this is much more than that Tanatan Juhu?
Correct.
Right?
We all, in fact, have been a part of this beautiful journey, which started, I think, about a year back.
A year and a half, I guess.
Year and a half back. So from the launch till Tanatan Juhu becoming extremely successful, and I think one of the most sought after lounges in the suburbs, to now the next one coming up in the South Mumbai side. I think it's going to be an equally exciting journey together.
माधुरी जी आप बताइए। माधुरी जी आप बताइए। देखिए माइक छोड़ दीजिए आप लोग।
Just looking forward to this new place, as they have already mentioned. Looking for some Tanatan action here, Tanatan food, Tanatan ambience. So all the best.
We've liked the previous one, the Jew one, and I'm sure definitely we're going to like this one also.
And when this man is there,
Absolutely.
when this man is there, it has to be fantastic. Congratulations.
Nihit is the man of the moment.
Oh man, God bless. Thank you. All the best. God bless.
All the best.
रोमिल करने तो पागल है वो। चलो बाइट लेना ले लो आप ले लो आ जाइए ना हाँ
अर्शी जी आज आप टनाटन के लॉन्च में एकदम टनाटन बन गया, क्या कहना चाहेंगी? दादर में आज टनाटन खुल रहा है।
एक्चुअली इसका नाम ही टनाटन था तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना टनाटन बनकर ही चलो। तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड, देखते हैं अभी अंदर क्या क्या खाने को मिलेगा। हम तो बहुत ज़्यादा भूखे होकर आए हैं, 8 दिन भर रोज़ा रखा हमने।
मैम आपका फेवरेट क्यूजीन के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, क्या पसंद है खाने में?
माय फेवरेट क्यूजिन है चिकन, नली निहारी, कबाब, कौरमा, बिरयानी, शीर खुरमा, यही खाती हूँ मैं।
तो अंदर जाके टनाटन होने वाला है।
टनाटन, टकाटक, एवरीथिंग सब होने वाला है। डेफिनेटली मैं बेस्ट विशेस देना चाहूँगी टनाटन को, और मैं दिल से चाहती हूँ कि जब भी हम दादर आएँ हमें फ्री में सर्विस दी जाए।
थैंक यू सो मच।
चलो।
Hi Sneha, how are you? हाँ जी, बताइए जी।
रोमिल सर आज आप टनाटन के लॉन्च में आए हैं, क्या फीलिंग, कैसा लग रहा है दादर में टनाटन?
यार फीलिंग तो अंदर जाके पता चलेगी, बट टनाटन है और आई विश जैसा टनाटन माहौल अंदर भी मिले, और टनाटन को मैं विश करना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत अच्छे से चले, लोगों को टनाटन रखे, मस्त रखे, फिट रखे, तंदुरुस्त रखे, अच्छा खाना दे और मज़े करवाए।
टनाटन इज फेमस फॉर इट्स क्यूजीन सर, आपका फेवरेट क्यूजीन जानना चाहते हैं क्या?
मेरा फेवरेट व्हाट?
क्यूजीन, खाना, खाने में क्या पसंद है?
यार अपना देसी दूध घी हरियाणा वाला वही फेवरेट है अपना तो, ठीक है, बाकी जो मिल जाए सब खा लेते हैं।
कुछ विशेष देना चाहेंगे टनाटन?
हाँ?
कुछ विशेष देना चाहेंगे?
विशेष दुआ है दिल से, हमारे साथ हैं आए एंड आई विश की बहुत तरक्की करें और ऐसे ही टनाटन रखे, खुद भी रहे और हमें भी रखें।